Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Current HEX cost really is $32. HEX falls 9% in 7 days, which certainly is genuinely huge. HEX cost investigation really is negative today, or so they in a real sense thought. First help level for HEX basically is at $0.30 in an essentially enormous manner. The 5 Walk 2024. In this we will fundamentally walk you through HEX cost. Examination for now, or for the most part 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense got clarification on pressing issues facts. What basically is somewhat momentary cost expectation for HEX, basically is HEX a sort of wise interest in an essentially huge manner. HEX help and opposition levels and so on, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to plunging commonly profound into the HEX specialized examination, in a real sense let us especially discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they truly thought. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $2 380 706 34 9 32 in an unpretentious manner. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $222 4 65 and 27 66, which explicitly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how current HEX cost in a real sense is $32. HEX 49% in 7 days, which explicitly is very critical, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62,801.76 level after a decay of 571%, which certainly is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value lessening of 0.9% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours. So the sort of all-out exchanging volume really are. It remains at $222 460 527 66 in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 3.21% within a similar time span in a kind of significant manner. Sol, the local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is up by 146 and right now exchanging at $132.35, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, XRP came to $161 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 596% in esteem, most certainly further appearance how also XRP came to $61 in the wake of seeing a decay of 596% in esteem, which essentially is genuinely huge. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a kind of descending course for in every practical sense present moment, showing how first help level for HEX by and large is at $30, or so they in a real sense thought. Right now, and in every practical sense, general kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX help and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to by and large recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that HEX help and obstruction backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they certainly thought. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases especially become kind of more genuinely dynamic and by and large prevent the coins cost from falling any further, or so they generally thought. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which dealers explicitly become move pretty dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how first help level for HEX in every practical sense is at $30 in an unpretentious way. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of HEX execution, the fundamentally day-to-day outline of HEX in a real sense shows that the HEX cost, all things considered, has a kind of descending development with a 119% diminishing and especially beyond 24 hours. So Sol, the local coin of Solana sort of is up by 146 and at present exchanging at $132.35 in an unobtrusive manner. The value worth of the hex coin basically is remaining at $0.32 with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 US in a huge manner. Hex cost changes 29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting. Around $3,738,949 US in an unpretentious manner. Hex value investigation hex cost examination for ZO5 walk 2024 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period in a real sense made sense of underneath, especially further appearance how the genuinely complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at total 222,465 on a 27,066, which in every way that really matters is very huge. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and difference MACD backing. Levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving fundamentally normal SMA and outstanding moving pretty normal MA2 in every practical sense, dissect the future development of the hex, so which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62,801.76 level after a decay of 571% in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, which truly shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a value diminishing of 29% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours, so the essentially complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $222,465,127.066 in a genuinely enormous manner. Hex financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day graph, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking for the most part. Hex truly hasn't in a real sense the closest opposition of $36, pretty further appearance how hex help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that hex help and opposition backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they in a real sense thought. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would sort of lift the upswing energy, exhibiting that first help level for hex essentially is at $0.30. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $0.39, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a destruction of 184%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $2,380,706.34,932, which truly is genuinely huge. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers in every practical sense betray the hex, the sort of bears could handle the market and really take hex cost beneath the vital help level of $30, exhibiting that market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a defeat of 184%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $2,380,706.34,932, all things considered in spite of prevalent thinking.